I'm getting so many questions asked about how to link your social media accounts to your Squarespace website. So today that's just what I'm going to show you. Hi, I'm Kerstin Begley. I am a word shaker and a Squarespace website creation coach. I want to enable and empower new and non-techie entrepreneurs to create their own Squarespace websites without breaking the bank, because you don't have to pay a website designer every time you want to make a change. Okay, let's get to it. How to link your social media accounts to your Squarespace website. Let's do it. When you start your Squarespace website, down below here in the footer, Squarespace would have already set up a social media account option here, a feature. And if it's not there, it will be there. But if you are like me and you had already deleted it, you just click into edit, you hover over the footer. You can do it either here on the bottom or here in the pre-footer, wherever you want. Let's do it here just to be different. I don't know. And you click on the little drop here and you scroll down in the window that pops up and go into social links. So they're not connected yet. This is just a mock-up, so these won't work if you click them. So I'm going to click apply. I'm going to click save. And I'm going to leave it up here so you can see what happens. So there's nothing going to happen when I click on this at all. See, it's just for you to see what it will look like. You can also actually, I'm going to just quickly show you here because I'm just in here. I might as well. You can also make them bigger, larger, extra large, whichever you want. You can have a regular style. You can have them in circles. You can have them in a rounded border and in a knockout. So whichever you like. And also you can have them light. Again, whichever you like. So that's how you style them up, whichever way you want. I'm going to click apply and I'm going to click save. And now to connect them, which is where the magic happens, we're going into settings. We're going into connected accounts. And then you click connect account. Depending on which of your social media accounts you want to connect, let's say it's Facebook, you would then have to log into Facebook to authorize Squarespace to have access and to be able to link it for you. So this is where you have to remember to put your page in rather than your private profile. This is what people sometimes forget. You want to link up your page, so people, when they click on it, they are going to land on your business page rather than your private profile, you know, that you are sharing with your friends. So we're going to push it into this account. This is where it is. Let's say this one, if you have more than one pages, this is where you click. You're going to click the one that you want them to click into. Click save. Again, remember that this is what people mostly forget, and then they wonder why people never land on their pages. Now the mockup is gone and Squarespace has the real Facebook link here. So when you click on it now, it will open up in a new window rather than in the same window to your Facebook page. And that's how that happens. Now, I would like to also connect into my Twitter account, let's say, depending on if you have it. It's totally up to you what accounts you want to link up there. So you click authorize, and there you go. There's your Twitter account. Again, this is already the right account, so I'm going to leave it all. I'm going to leave it all ticked. I'm going to click save. And there you go. You scroll down. You don't have to scroll down. There's the Twitter account. So it's just all automatic. It's really easy peasy to do. And then let's say you can do the same with your Pinterest account, your Google Plus, your LinkedIn account. Let's say I'm going to do it with my LinkedIn account. Click it. Click the LinkedIn icon. And there you go. That's already automatically connecting. No problem. Again, leave it all as it is. You don't have to touch it. Click save. Now you have your 3 social media icons linked. Let's say you have a YouTube account. You can link that as well. Let's just quickly do it. It's a little bit further down here. There you go. YouTube. Now again, I'm going to link it up because this video is going to be on YouTube. So which one am I going to link it up with? Of course, my business email address. So let's do that. And there you go. Let Squarespace update. This is your channel ID, your channel URL. And there you go. Let's see. See, there is your YouTube. And now when you click on it, people will land wherever you want them, wherever it is. This is on my Facebook page, my Twitter account, my LinkedIn account, and my YouTube account. There's one more, which is Instagram. So let's do Instagram, connect account, go to Instagram, find it, scroll down, there it is, Instagram. And same thing, you just click authorize Squarespace to be able to link it up for you, and there you go. That's my Instagram URL. Click save and you see it here on the side at the bottom, and you also see it appear right here. And that is how you link up your social media accounts to your Squarespace website. And when people click on them, they land right where you want them, on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, or Instagram. So let's click here. Does it work? Yes, it does. And that's how it works. Easy peasy. Now, I want to also show you very quickly, when you set up your Squarespace website and you are just trying to set up a coming soon page so that people don't see what you're working at behind the scenes, you set up your cover page. So in the unlinked section, for example, set up your cover page here. There you go. And then I wanted to show you, I'm just going to enter it. I'm not going to show you how to do that because that's in a different tutorial. So what you do is I want you to just make sure when you go into social media icons, you can untick the box here, because when you right here get notified, all you want your people to do is click on the one button. You don't want them to get distracted and click on any of the social media icons, because they will appear as you connect them and link them up to your Squarespace website. They will then also appear on any of your coming soon pages or any of your cover pages. So make sure to untick the box. See, I told you it was going to be easy peasy and painless. If you have a WordPress website and you want to switch from WordPress to Squarespace, I've just created a brand new email tutorial for you to give you the 10 steps how to do that, click by click and step by step. If you don't have a WordPress website and you just want to set up your Squarespace website from scratch, that email tutorial covers that as well. Just skip the WordPress steps, which are just 2 or 3 steps, and there you are on the road to getting your own Squarespace website. So make sure to grab it. It's free, and I've created it with you in mind. Okay, chat soon. Next Friday, new tutorial. If you want me to show you something special or you have a question, ask me in the comments below. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the little bell beside the subscribe button to be notified for any videos that I am posting, so you are first to know or to see them. Okay, that's it. Make sure to grab the freebie, the email tutorial on how to switch from WordPress to Squarespace, which also includes how to set up your Squarespace website. Okay, chat soon.